Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter at home for babies. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of roasted, unsalted peanuts. These are crucial for a rich flavor and smooth texture. Also, have a food processor or a high-speed blender ready. Optionally, 1 tablespoon of a neutral oil, like vegetable or coconut oil, can be added later to achieve an extra creamy consistency. This simple method ensures a fresh and wholesome spread for your little one. Now let's get blending. Place your roasted peanuts into the food processor. Begin processing, and you'll notice the peanuts first turn into a coarse meal, then a crumbly texture. Keep blending, and the magic happens as the peanuts start releasing their natural oils. This process takes a few minutes, so be patient. Remember to pause and scrape down the sides of the bowl occasionally to ensure everything blends evenly. Continue blending until your peanut butter reaches a wonderfully smooth and creamy consistency. It should look like the store-bought kind, but even fresher. If you prefer a slightly thinner texture, you can add about a half teaspoon of your chosen oil and blend again briefly. Once it's perfect, transfer your fresh homemade peanut butter into an airtight container. It's ready to be enjoyed by your baby, or even by you. When introducing peanut butter to babies, always start with a very small amount and supervise closely to check for any reactions. Homemade peanut butter should be stored in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. This ensures it remains safe and delicious for your little one. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, be sure to check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.